Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Google Workspace, G Suite, review my cloud productivity suite usage. Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, is a cloud-based productivity suite offered by Google. It's primarily aimed at businesses, organizations, and educational institutions, providing a comprehensive set of tools for communication, collaboration, and file management. Key features include Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, and Calendar. Their website provides detailed information on the various plans and pricing options available. Google Workspace emphasizes seamless collaboration, real-time document editing, and accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. They offer different tiers based on storage capacity and features, catering to various needs and budgets. No contracts are required, and their pricing is transparent with no hidden fees. Google leverages its robust cloud infrastructure and advanced security measures to ensure data protection and reliable service. You can easily check availability and sign up directly through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Google Workspace. Setting up my organization's Workspace account was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through the essential steps, from adding users and configuring settings to migrating existing data. I found the interface intuitive and easy to navigate, especially for someone already familiar with Google's consumer services. Using Docs, Sheets, and Slides for collaborative projects has been a game-changer. Being able to edit documents simultaneously with colleagues, see changes in real time, and leave comments directly within the files has significantly streamlined our workflow. For example, during a recent marketing campaign, my team and I used a shared Google Sheet to track progress, assign tasks, and monitor key metrics. It eliminated the need for endless email chains and version control issues. The speed and reliability of Drive have been excellent. I've accessed and shared large files without any noticeable lag, even when working remotely. I did have a quick question about setting up shared mailboxes, and their support responded within a day via email with clear instructions. The standout feature for me was definitely the tight integration between all the apps. Switching between Gmail, Calendar, and Meet for meetings is seamless, and having everything accessible from a single platform has been incredibly efficient. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with some of the more advanced features in Google Meet, like setting up breakout rooms. It took me a little while to get used to the controls. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Google Workspace. It has significantly improved our team's productivity and collaboration. That's my overview of Google Workspace. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.